Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my June Ipsy and BoxyCharm here for you today. So Ipsy did send these to me as PR, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending these my way. So what I like to do in these videos is I go ahead and open up the bag and the box, try out the goodies inside, so then I can kind of give you some little like first impressions, mini reviews on these products, and yeah, just do a fun unboxing with a little added first impression type of situation. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites, new at the drugstore reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about June Ipsy and BoxyCharm, so let's get to it. Okay, so starting with my Ipsy bag, here is the bag itself. Super cute, even the little zipper pull is adorable. It's just bright and fun and very summery. So I got some good things in here. First off, I got the Frank Body Rose Hip Body Scrub Plus Cleanser. It says, I'm a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rosehip oil. So I tried this last night and I don't know how to describe the scent on this. I was trying to think of what it smells like. I don't even have a guess of how to describe it. No, that's not even helpful. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it has a little bit of a scent to it, but it's pretty subtle. It's a pretty gritty scrub. So I kind of used it on my legs and it did seem to do a good job. Kind of that like chunkier sort of scrub, so not like a very fine scrub. It's more of that kind of gritty, chunkier scrub. But if you're looking for a scrub, this seems like it, you know, is a good one, and I like rosehip oil. Then I got some skincare goodies. The Innisfree. This is the Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This is what the packaging looks like on the little mini. And then here is this. So it's a dropper, kind of an applicator, and I would say just serum-y sort of texture, not overly liquidy, not overly thick or whatever. It's just kind of like a regular size, what would be textured serum. That's the word I'm looking for. So I use this kind of here on my face where I want a little bit more of a brightening glow. And I would say I think it added, I was trying to look, I'm like, is this adding a brightening sort of look to my skin? I love vitamin C for sure, especially during the daytime. But I was trying to look and see, like, do I feel like I can see a difference in the brightness of my skin? And I feel like I could see a little bit of added glow. And like I said, I love a vitamin C type product for morning under my makeup. And this seemed like it worked well under my makeup. So this seems like a good product. I like that. Then I got another skincare product. This is from Tony Moly. And this is the Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. And it says contains ceramide 5000 ppb, nourishing and moisturizing multi-use toner for bouncy, mochi-like skin. And I like this. It says it has ingredients like ceramides and Centella asiatica. I think is how you say that. I love Centella. Like, that is just one of my favorite go-to products for kind of calming the skin, and I also love ceramides. So this is definitely standout favorite from the box and the bag because I love these kind of ingredients. So I used this and applied it, and it felt nice on the skin. It is kind of that like milky sort of a texture you can see. Like, it's just, you know, it's a milky sort of a toner, and it felt nice on the skin, felt nice and hydrating. Ceramides and Centella are just nice calming ingredients, and my skin seems to like both of them. I was trying to think. It has kind of like an herbal sort of a scent to it. Yeah, but not like strong. And it says on the packaging, it says 0 artificial fragrance, 0 synthetic color, 0 animal-based ingredients, 0 PEG surfactant. So no artificial fragrance. It's just whatever the ingredients are in here. But I really like this, and this is a good size for travel. It's still, there's quite a bit of product in here. So I like that a lot. And then I got a couple of color cosmetics products. So I would say like these 3 products right here, standout favorites. I really like all these products. So this is the Benefit Plush Tint. It says moisturizing matte lip tint, and I got the shade 02 Cream Puff. I'm not wearing this right now, but I tried it yesterday, and I love this. Like, I want this in a bigger size because this is a little bitty tiny mini one. I'm so impressed with this. This is what it looks like. It does have kind of like a, like certain liquid lipstick type products have this sort of a scent, and I don't know how to describe it. It's not like it's scented, it's just the ingredients that I'm smelling, I think. And I don't even know how to, once again, don't know how to describe it, but it's a little bit there, but once I had it on my lips, I wasn't smelling it. This is what it looks like. Such a pretty color. I don't know how I would describe that, like a peachy terracotta sort of shade. Beautiful. I love the formula on this too. Like it is a moisturizing tint sort of product. Like it never really set down fully, but it just kept a slight like hydrating, fluffy sort of a texture to it. It just felt really nice on the skin. On the lips, still had a little bit of like movement to it. Like I could, you know what I mean? Like if I rub my lips together, it wasn't sticky or tacky or dry feeling. It looks pretty on the lips. Like it is just a really good formula. So I'm very impressed with this. I definitely want a full size of this, and I love this color. This is just a standout win. I love this product. Then I got the Formula Z Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette. I have this on my eyes right now, and I love this. Oh, I did not realize. Oh, okay. That's good to know. I did not read that it says face and eye palette. I just use this on my eyes, and I really like it on the eyes, but I could see it totally working for face too. So this is a blush, and this is a highlighter, but I have both of these on my eyes. Like this is on the main part of my lid right here on like the inner half, I'd say. Beautiful. I love it. So yeah. And then it kind of labels the other ones for using it on your eyes. But just so you know, I used all of it on my eyes and it worked well. I do that a lot of times. I'll use blush as eyeshadow and highlighter as eyeshadow. Oh, I don't feel like this is swatching as well as it applied to the eyes. Like I love this on the eyes. I would say it is kind of like a silky sort of formula that you need to build up, but I mean it does build up really nicely, and I think it gives that beautiful like everyday sort of look. So I mean it's not like the most pigmented, but it's not in a bad way. It's more in a like versatile way. And these other swatches like the mattes I think definitely show how good they are. Look at those beautiful mattes. These I had to build up a little bit, but when I use the metallics on my eyes, I didn't have any like problems with pigmentation or anything. I think this is very impressive. I really like the formula. Like I said, it is that silky sort of formula, but that builds on itself nicely. And yeah, it's just beautiful. So pretty, and I really like it with this lip color. But I also like it with this other lip color that I'll share with you in a second. So definitely standout wins, I would say, from the Ipsy bag. That's everything I got in my Ipsy bag. I would definitely say that these three products are my favorites. Love these. Okay, then next up, my BoxyCharm. Let me show you a little look inside. Here's a little look in here. So I got, well, I was about to say I got more skincare, but actually, I mean, it is kind of a mix. So let's start with, I got a perfume. I'm very picky about perfumes. I really don't wear them often, just rarely, just because I don't know why. I think it's just having something that I can smell all day. There's really not a lot of perfumes that I found that I want to be smelling that all day. You know what I mean? But this smells good. This kind of surprised me. This is from the Lifestyle Co. And this is in a line, I think is the fragrance name. And it's an Eau de Parfum. Eau de Parfum. And I have no idea how I would describe this scent. It's like fresh. I would say fresh. And does it say any of the scents? Okay, so it says apple, bergamot, violet, cedar, amber, sandalwood, and vetiver. Which if I would have read that, I don't think I would have thought I wouldn't like this, because usually I don't like sandalwood. I do like amber, and I like apple. So maybe those are the two things in it that do make me kind of like this. But I love a small little perfume like this. Like if I get perfumes, I like these sort of sizes because it just takes me forever to use one up because I don't wear them super often. But yeah, there's that. I like it better than I thought I would when I saw it was a perfume. Okay, then I got a mascara. This is by Half Caked, and this is I Defy Zero Gravity Mascara. So I do have this on my lashes right now. So let me look up at the camera so you can see on my lashes what this is looking like. I'm surprised by this. Again, I'm very picky about mascaras. Perfume, mascaras, definitely both things that I am picky about. But overall, I like this. Now, I will say these lashes over here, they've been, you know, like not behaving the last few days. Just kind of like, they've been clumping my other mascaras too, kind of sticking together certain lashes. Do your lashes ever get like that? Where they just like don't behave themselves for a few days? They've been doing that. This eye, they've been behaving themselves better, and I like the mascara better on this eye. So I would say judge it by this eye because these lashes have been behaving themselves. So I like the pink packaging. That's cute. It is a larger sort of a brush to it, and it is a brush. It doesn't look like a plasticky one. It looks like a brush wand. I'm not picky about like brush wands. Like it's more about the formula for me. And this seemed to give good length, good volume, built up on itself pretty nicely. Like I said, on this eye, it built up on itself very nicely. This eye, it kind of started to get a little bit clumpy, but it's hard to tell if it was just my lashes not behaving or the mascara. I don't really know, but overall, I like the way it's looking on my lashes, especially on this eye. So I'm impressed with this. I mean, I feel like a lot of times I say I'm picky about mascaras, but there have been some ones that have been surprising me lately. Okay, then I got some skincare. This is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And it says safe for sensitive skin. I love First Aid Beauty for sensitive skin. And also the Ultra Repair Face Cream and Face Moisturizer. Great products. It's very soothing on the skin. It's very hydrating. Now I will say for me and my combo oily skin, this is probably a little bit heavy for me to use all over my face, so I mainly used it here on my face, not on my forehead, because my forehead gets oilier. My cheeks are, I wouldn't say they're on the dry side, but they're more on the normal side, so that's where I used it, and I really like how it applied. Very hydrating. It does have kind of more of a sunscreen sort of formula texture to it. Like it's less like a thin moisturizer and more of that like slightly more emollient moisturizer, but also a little bit sunscreen feeling, not in a bad way. Like it applied nicely to the skin. My makeup went over top nicely. So I think this is a good product. If you have sensitive skin, you're looking for something with an SPF, I do like this product. I'm impressed by it. Then I also got the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. And it says, nourishing and makeup removing. I always double cleanse, so I use this after I used a cleansing oil, so that's how I tried it. But I like this, and I have liked the things that I've tried from Glow Recipe. So this has ceramides, pre plus postbiotics, colloidal oatmeal, ceramides and oatmeal, very calming to the skin, so I like both those ingredients. Avocado oil, which deeply nourishes the skin, and then also a gentle makeup removing agents. So it says used in baby washes. It's that gentle. So tried this, and I will say a little bit, I love the green packaging, pretty, and a little bit goes a long way with it. Like when I went to apply it, it really I used way too much product. I didn't need that much product because it just really I don't know if I would say it foams up, but it's just, it spreads nicely, it cleanses nicely. So my face felt cleansed but not stripped after using it, which is definitely what I'm looking for in a cleanser. And like I said, I love ceramides. So I'm excited about this. Like this one plus the Tony Moly Ceramides Toner, two standout favorites. Really like this, so I'm excited about that cleanser. Then what I'm wearing on my lips right now, I do have a little bit of lip liner, but mostly you're seeing this. It was just kind of for shape around the outsides of my lips. This is from TFB Trust Fund Beauty, and this is the Lipgasm lipstick in Birthday Suit, and I got the shade, oh, I guess Birthday Suit is maybe the name. Is that the name? Yeah, I think the color that I got is Birthday Suit. This is beautiful. I love this color. It's just a nice kind of like peachy neutral shade, not patchy at all, really nice, comfortable formula. Like, I would say overall satin matte, but comfortable. It does not feel dry at all on my lips, but it just feels like that kind of low maintenance satin matte lipstick formula, which I love. Like that's my go-to sort of a lip product. And I love this color. Beautiful, so pretty. So I would say from the BoxyCharm box, the cleanser, and this, I would say are my standout favorites. but I don't dislike the other 3 products. I would say the perfume is probably the thing I'm gonna reach for the least. Okay, so those are all the goodies that I got in my Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy or BoxyCharm or what you're excited to get. If you wanna sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.